All right, let's fucking go. Video 554. We're going to get into the source code. Let's look at all of the 554 deltas before we run out of fucking time because we got a loud mouth. Okay, top level constant macros. We have formalized the fact that 0, 1, and 2 are for the geometry layer, BOM layer, and FATA layer, respectively. C for constant, LA3 for layer, of which there are 3, 0, 1, and 0, 1, and 2 make a total of 3 different unique values: geometry, BOM, FATA, right? Pretty simple. In data by system within EddyGame, within the EddyGame editor object, we haven't actually added anything, but I want to make note of this, right? This right here is what determines what layer the brush will set tiles on, right? So the editor layer, right? Eddy for editor, LA3 for layer. In keyboard master, within the keymask down editor function that manages key presses when we're in editor mode, right? So this is a keyboard event here. We have added a section right beneath the render pipeline switching. So this is the render pipeline switching code. And now we're looking for the Garrett Bobby Ferguson keys, G, B, and F. So if we press one of the Garrett Bobby Ferguson keys, we're going to enter this section. We're going to get a shorthand reference to the editor. Make sure that the constants for the layer are correct right here. And then if it's the G key, we're going to switch the editor to lay geometry tiles. B key, change the editor to lay BOM tiles. F key, change the editor to lay FATA tiles. FATA stands for flames and damage. It is used for the explosion effects, but it's also used for a damage mask to mutate the appearance of the tile map when we're in a destroyed section of it. This is an error, right? Because we looked before we leaped right here, so we expect to get one of these cases right here. All right, so here's what I did previously, and here's our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. So if you notice here, we have in a level is 128 by 128 pixels worth of data, and we subdivide the geometry, BOM, and FATA layers into kind of a mip-map-like structure to get all these different powers of 2 tiles. This is how we fucking do it. So we're on the short playlist, so we don't have time to get into all the details there. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You're on the fast playlist. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Koda, working on Atomic Ivy MMO, a side-scroller Bomberman game with proximity mines.